Hi, this is Esain from CRUKING Engineering Equipment Company. We are the industry-leading construction machinery dealer, which has decades of expert experience. Now we come to JINGGONG factory. Now follow me, let me show you the main product of JINGGONG, well excavator. Today I will introduce a hot-selling well excavator, JG75S-9. The machine weight of this model is 7,000 kg and it equips the 0.3 bucket. Now let's talk about the cabin. Let's see in and feel it. The cab is beautiful, designed with a wide wheel and exquisite interior. It is more comfortable to operate.
All in all, this well excavator has excellent performance, safe operation, and easy maintenance. It would be a good choice.